So I'm going to present you the use of GT Suite at Safran Tech for the study of zero-emission aircraft on propulsion systems. So first, the agenda of this presentation. So I will do a short overview of Safran Group, and especially Safran Tech. Then I will remind you the objectives of the aeronautic industry in terms of CO2 emissions. Then I will explain why we have decided to test GT Suite in a proof of concept since June 2023. I will focus on the fuel cell application example. And finally, I will give my conclusions on perspectives. So, Safran Group is well known for its aircraft and helicopter engines. You know, probably CFM 56 or LEAP family. But Safran is also present in many fields of aviation, space, and defense. It's a problem. Okay. So Safran is a French group with 41,000 employees in the country and 75 sites in France. But it's also an international group with 276 locations in 27 countries and more than 83,000 employees.